Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 9 Jacaranda Place in Ormiston, a whisper quiet cul-de-sac elevated position. It's a genuine 5-bedroom family residence. Check it out. Wow, how fantastic is this kitchen? Room for your family to stretch out and enjoy. Bamboo flooring, 9-foot ceilings, 3 living areas, form a lounge, family room and a separate media rumpus room. Side access for the caravan or the boat, private and peaceful. It's one you just walk in, sit down, relax and enjoy.